My name is Julius, co-creator of Statement and the creative director of this campaign. Conceptualizing the story of statement stacking really came down to a few things that really mattered to me. I need this to go up. Okay, cool, then we're good.
Any notes, Jules?
My name is Sofie, co-creator of Statement. As DP and editor, I worked with the lab to shape the visual world of this campaign.
One more time. Then a slight adjust to the camera.
For the choice of clothing and how they layered and stacked well together, to the storylines about how we chose the model. Did it purvey an energy that really told what we really want to make happen, right?
The vision behind stacking was to create finished looks and place them in environments that visually supported the message.
Overextend that right leg.
I mean, that looks good. That looks crazy.
When we shoot for Statement, we're looking for authenticity, being ready to capture that moment where they light up.
This way, everybody's facing camera.
This campaign expanded more layers of our ambassadors. We're always looking to tap into the next chapter, and this was a way to bring that forward visually.
We're gonna do full, mid, and close-ups.
Well, fix your pat, right?
We played with moody lighting and gradients to bring more depth into each shot. Each model looked different, but connected. It captured the message that Statement isn't static, it evolves.
When it came to creating these products, it was very strategic on wanting to make things that worked well and worked well together. Whether it was the barbershop, to the runway, to on set, to on the go for the professional and the client.
Stacking is more than just combining things. It's unlocking potential. It's taking something you think you know and showing how it can shift completely when layered with intention.
This was just another way to add to the legacy of Statement and what truly means to be a statement maker.
And this is stacking.
A system,
A mindset,
a statement.